Are you looking for the best Linux laptops? In this video we will look at some of the best Linux laptops on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5i. A Chromebook running Chrome OS is the next best thing, as it is a Linux-based operating system, uses a Linux kernel, and can run Linux distros without any problems. Unlike laptops with Windows, Mac OS, or even Linux pre-installed, Chromebooks are much more affordable, which is especially important if you are on a tight budget. Regarding budget Chromebooks, the Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5i is king. With its 13.3-inch Full HD display and 360-degree hinge design, using the Chromebook Spin 714 is incredibly fun and convenient. With its touchscreen capability, you can interact with your laptop in a new way, making your work more intuitive and efficient. Number 2. Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3 2022. When it comes to value for money laptops, it doesn't get much better than the Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3 2022. For the price of a budget device, it boasts the same competent hardware you will find on high-end laptops that cost almost double. And since it is a gaming laptop, it is good for just about everything from gaming to writing code and working on other heavy tasks. It is equipped with the latest AMD Ryzen 5 6600H processor, providing blazing fast performance and smooth multitasking capabilities, while the enhanced thermal management keeps things cool. The 15.6 FHD IPS screen with a 120 Hz refresh rate is perfect for immersive gaming and general use, delivering smooth visuals. Number 3. Lenovo Business. There aren't many laptops available that run Linux OS out of the box, but from the few options available, this business laptop by Lenovo is the very best. It comes equipped with high-end hardware such as a 10th Gen Intel i7 processor, 8GB of RAM, and 1TB of HDD storage, so you know it can handle any task like a breeze. This laptop features a built-in HD webcam with a mic, a 15.6-inch HD display, and stereo speakers with Dolby Audio for rich sound. It runs Linux Mint Cinnamon, designed to provide a seamless and intuitive experience for beginner and advanced users. Number 4. Dell XPS 139310. Whether working on a project, streaming your favorite movie, or browsing the web, the XPS 139310 provides an immersive visual experience like no other. Powering the device is an 11th Gen Intel Core i7-1195G7 processor, delivering lightning-fast performance and seamless multitasking capabilities. The XPS 1390310 also features cutting-edge Intel Iris Xe graphics, providing a smooth and responsive experience with enough power to keep up with your needs.